Hi, hello, have a pleasant day. I would like to give you a gentle caution on the after effects of the disruptions we are making in our sleep pattern now. We were complaining about the daily routine, the rush in our daily life before lockdown. But now, if you see, that rush only kept us on track. We woke up at a fixed time, we ate at regular intervals, and we had enough physical activities. But now everything is upside down. With no specific objective for the day, we lack the motivation to stick on to a disciplined lifestyle now. For many of us, the normal sleep time has been shifted beyond midnight. For some, it is as late as early morning. As a consequence, we wake up very late in the morning, sometimes directly for lunch. You may say that this is a small change. Once we are coming back to our daily routine, this will be regularized. I can say that you are underestimating the impact of this habit on both physical and mental health. Physically, we feel drained because of two reasons. Number one, we work against the biological cycle. Our body normally rests during darkness and it needs sunlight for the routine physical activities. We disrupt this cycle very badly. Second, food. As we are awakened late in the night, our dinner time is going very late. And many days we skip our breakfast. The acidity level in our stomach will vary unnaturally, which will be the root cause for all the physical problems later. Mentally also we feel drained because of this. All through the day we are so dull, low and depressed. Adding on to this news on virus, lockdown and the statistics, this habit together definitely will have a significant negative impact on our mental health. We all know there is a daily routine which is in harmony with nature, which is called as circadian rhythm. That is a natural process in our body which manages the sleep-wake cycle. According to that circadian rhythm, the wake-up time is 4:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. Our breakfast should be around 8 o'clock in the morning and the lunch time from 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. The absorption and assimilation takes place from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. and our dinner time should be 7:30 to 8 p.m. and our sleep time should be not later than 10:30 because we are expected to be in deep sleep from 11:30-12 onwards. 12 o'clock in the midnight our liver gets activated. The detoxing and repair takes place from 12 midnight to 1 a.m. in the morning. 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock early morning waste removal is taking place. And so our wake up time is 4:30 to 6 a.m. The one thing all religions and all the sciences come together is this point, the natural routine for the human being. We are not that nocturnal creatures to sleep during the daytime and awaken during night. For higher productivity and good health, we have to stick on to this biological cycle. For those who are not convinced, I will recommend you two books. Number one, Why We Sleep by Matthew Walker, PhD. Bill Gates himself claims that this book has made him see the downfall of the night riders, up all through the night. The second book is 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. I am not forcing you. I am not trying to change you. This change cannot be instilled from outside. It should come from within. The way you handle your life, your health, your potential is solely your choice. Your own responsibility demands you to select the well-informed choice now. Read those books, or at least the summary of those books, and watch a few videos on the science of sleep. You should get convinced. Only if you want to change from within, you will change, right? So just think about this, do your research, try to understand and then react. Stay blessed. Thank you.